What's up guys, this is Fabio Furtado, Brazilian Hookah Cartel. Review today is about one product that everybody were asking for me. The famous square ball. I just arrived from the manufacturer. We received the American order. 200 balls, 200 square balls. 2 different models, 2 different designs. Here, the famous Bulldog and Puppy. What's the difference between Bulldog and Puppy? Both are square balls. You can check here. The difference between Bulldog and Puppy is Bulldog is a little bigger, you can check here, and the Puppy very small. This is to smoke alone. Is perfect. Not too much tobacco. And here's this, you can make 2-3 sets of charcoal. So, and for America, we did a different design of package. We changed it because the original name here in Brazil for this bowl, for those bowls, is Super Bowl. But you cannot use Super Bowl in America because you have the final Super Bowl. So we changed the name for Bulldog Bowl. And we made a special box for America, everything in English, special for you guys. So you can check here, Bulldog bowl. The bowl came in these boxes, 1 ball per box. 1 ball per box. Here, a little review about the product. Here you can check what's your model, Bulldog or Puppy, and it came in 8 different, 8 different colors. I will show here the colors, and here we have a kind of quality control here. As you have Hookah Cartel in America, here we have some forums, and the biggest forum is Bulldog Guinea, and the Bulldog came with the seal approved by Bulldog Guinea. Okay? And now we have a special edition only for America. As you can see here, it's a different bowl. This is the Godfather Puppy. Special edition for America. Only 8 pieces, you can check here. What's the difference? The size, like a tower. Look at here, the difference between this is the regular puppy and this is the Godfather Puppy. Special for America, only 8 pieces. So you must run. Okay? And here the 8 different colors. Let's show you here. This here is arms, light blue. Here is the Gaia, blue. This is 8 or 8, black. This is Aphrodite, red. This is I don't know. Oh my god. I think this is Zeus, mix of colors, I think. This is, oh my god, sometimes this is difficult to know. I don't know what's this one, sorry. And this is Kratos, graphite. And that's it. Those 2, I don't know what color is this, sorry. So this is the special edition. Godfather Puppy, only 8, okay? Please, do not start to call for Alex 10, 20 times a day asking for this, okay? Because if you do this, you're gonna kill me, okay? Probably we'll ship this next week or in 10 days. We arrive with more 100 bowls for 5-star hookah. So you can check there. All colors, all models, 50 puppies, 50 bulldogs, different colors, and 8 special editions, okay? I'm smoking here with one Godfather puppy. Here I will show you. Let me compare with another bowl here. Here is the BR made bowl, regular funnel, only for you to see the difference between both of them. Here, this is a square, special development, special designed for cookie battery or tobacco. So we have some waves here. Then the heat will cookie battery or charcoal, okay? And look at the gauge. The gauge is a little bigger. Here I can put my finger like this, okay? This one, not too much, okay? Wide open, very wide open, okay? This is the first edition, okay? This is a little small. Now you can check the difference between the new edition. So it's bigger, okay? Better to fix in your hookah, okay? Yes, guys, that's it. The square bowl. Everybody on Vegas, everybody on 5-star hookah was asking for this bowl. Now it's done. Okay? Special package for America, special edition for America, because we love you guys, okay? One more product distributed by VR Hookah, okay? Let me show you here the clouds. It's a little harsh because I've been smoking this for 40 minutes already. Huge clouds, huge clouds. That's it, guys. You can check a lot of clouds. The draw is very wide open. Now I'm smoking here Alpha Solid Hookah Medium, and this is special thanks for Adam. Adam, I miss you guys. Thank you very much for this hookah. Puppy, Godfather edition. 3, Coco King is a Brazilian charcoal, coconut charcoal. The famous Super Tone, this you have available on 5-star hookah. Thunder, Thunder Hose, and Breeze. And Tangier's Can Mint Lucid, okay? Because it's very hot here today. Hey guys, so special thanks for Alex also to support those amazing products. We made this special edition for Alex, to say thanks for Alex for everything, to support us, okay? And soon, probably in the end of August, maybe before, but that's at the end of August, those products will be available at 5starhookah.com or in the physical store, 5-star hookah in the Granada Hills. And you can try this if you wanna at 5-star hookah lounge, Granada Hills, right across the street from 5-star hookah physical store, okay? Alex has few pieces with him, so if you wanna try before buy, you can go to the 5-star hookah lounge. Everybody's welcome there, okay guys? It's an amazing lounge, amazing lounge. So before I finish, special thanks for Jack. Jack, I miss you guy. I need you one guy to pack my bowls here. I cannot pack mixes like you, bro. So I miss you a lot. I miss you, Alex. I miss you, all of my brothers from America. Soon I will be there again. Thank you very much for everything. And guys, if you have some doubts, you can contact me on Facebook. My page is Fabio Furtado. You can follow me on Instagram, it's FabFurtado_BR Hookah, or YouTube. Any doubt, you can ask me there. Also, Fab Furtado_ Hookah Cartel. Fab Furtado Hookah Cartel, you can find me on YouTube, okay? Okay guys, so thank you very much. One more review for you. I hope that you like the review. I hope you enjoyed those amazing products. More new products from Brazil, okay? Thank you very much, guys. See you soon.